How does active learning affect motivation? Have you ever wondered how active learning can boost your motivation while studying? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating topic. Active learning is all about engaging with the material in a hands-on way. When you participate in activities like solving problems, teaching others, or applying concepts, you become more involved in your learning journey. This involvement makes the process more enjoyable and meaningful. In contrast, passive learning often leads to boredom. When you simply listen or read without much interaction, it can feel monotonous. This lack of engagement can lower your motivation because it feels disconnected from real-world applications. Active learning, on the other hand, requires effort upfront. However, this effort pays off later by helping you build a stronger understanding and greater confidence in the material. From a study hacks perspective, there are several effective techniques you can use to incorporate active learning into your routine. Summarizing material in your own words is a great way to reinforce what you have learned. Teaching concepts to others helps deepen your comprehension and makes studying feel more purposeful. Practice tests are another excellent method. They not only help you recall information but also identify gaps in your knowledge, motivating you to focus on areas that need improvement. Here are some practical ways to engage in active learning. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or peers. This can reinforce your understanding and make the material stick. Creating flashcards and testing yourself regularly can boost your recall abilities. Engaging in group discussions or collaborative projects allows you to apply ideas and learn from others. Using visual tools like mind maps can help you organize and connect information in a way that makes sense to you. By shifting your focus from passive absorption to active participation, you gain a greater sense of control and achievement. This shift helps sustain your motivation over time. Additionally, these active learning habits support long-term retention and skill development, making your study sessions more productive and less stressful. So, if you want to boost your motivation while studying, consider incorporating active learning techniques into your routine. You might find that you enjoy the process much more and achieve better results along the way.